Maggiore Hospital in Trieste is revolutionizing dental care by making it more accessible to general public.
Our experience is very advanced because since 2000 we start to increase the possibility for the person to come and treat their dental problem in public offices. Now we treat every year about 100,000 treatment, and we are the biggest dental structure in Italy after Roma La Sapienza, and we have a first aid open since 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day from Monday to Friday, and from 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. in Saturday.
Additionally, Maggiore Hospital hosts a preclinical room where University of Trieste students train to become professional dentists.
It's very important to prepare our students and to give them the best theoretical preparation, but also the high-level practical preparation before going to patients.
In this place we do practice, we do lection for practice for treatment teeth, because first we need to do treatment for mannequin. At next, when all do nice, we go in the clinic for treatment patient.
I study here in Trieste, Dentistry, and now we are as exciting in the preclinics to do in the future our job here in the clinic.
We practice like this is our patient and this is a simulation, so we can do a better work when we will enter in the clinic.
I also study dentistry here in Trieste. I hope to work here as a dentist.
In Italy, but not only in Italy, a large amount of population cannot go to a private dentist for economic reasons. And so this amount of population is about 50 to 60%. It's a great problem for the person, and another thing important to underline is that if someone don't go to the dentist after some years, the economic problem is much bigger, and so if one need to decrease the cost of the treatment, he need to go to the dentist very early, and so the public offer try to find to create the condition by which the person can come early to have dental treatment, and so to have a treatment less invasive and to have a treatment less expensive.